me a long time ago that I don't use really.
Orange oil. It's an essential oil.
Yeah, so I just take this and something about the oil.
This is how to get a sticker off of glass. You see, I started peeling it, and there's a bubble here, and I thought if I get to the bubble, maybe I get some traction, but nah.
This is a little more fun. So I just work it, and it does come off. Sometimes I have to add a little water at first.
Yeah. It's just oil, not soap or
Nope. It just gets, it just
baking soda.
comes off. Usually just use my my hands or a cloth.
That's what I was doing. Just with my fingernails, but
It does come off with the oil.
maybe it has to soak for a while.
It just needs to get saturated. Saturated. Clean it off. Sometimes I use a dishcloth too.
At the end.
Yeah, at this end.
Nice.
So this comes off.
Yeah, see that
easier,
bubble,
but
yeah.
Then you get this stuff off with
That's
the
easier
oil.
with the oil. Oh, I see. Yeah, wow. That
The
really
oil just affects the
it's like dissolves the glue.
the adhesive, loosens up the adhesive.
I see. I wonder why it reacts like that. Any chemists out there can tell us why that works? Put it in the comment section.
And then it just comes right off, and then I just rinse it. And now it's just soap.
That's amazing. A couple minutes.
You just have to get past that shiny stuff on the paper.
Yeah, the gloss on the paper. Gotcha. It's a little Dawn dishwasher liquid, liquid. Dawn. That's how we say things in Pittsburgh. Dawn dishwasher liquid.
I thought that's how they say it in Philadelphia. Dawn.
Dawn. I don't know. I know they say water instead of water.
Yeah.
Daughter instead of daughter, but I think that's kind of German actually.
Eagles. They say eagles.
Eagles, yeah, they say eagles. Thanks.
Yeah.